Malaysia is an amazing country, known for its reflecting an eclectic blend of ancient customs, tradition, and culture with a dash of modernity. The country has a lot to offer to its discerning tourists in terms of all the Malaysian tourist attractions like beautiful island, beaches, heritage sites, and adventure spots. Malaysia is a Southeast Asian country occupying parts of the Malay Peninsula and the island of Borneo. It's known for its beaches, rainforest, and the mix of Malay, Chinese, Indian, and European culture influences. The capital Kuala Lumpur is home to colonial buildings, busy shopping districts such as Bukit Bintang, and skyscrapers such as the iconic 451-meter tall Petronas Twin Towers. Malaysia has a population of 31.6 million people in 2016. Spoken languages are Malay, English, Tamil, and Chinese. The characteristics vegetation of Malaysia is dense evergreen rainforest. Rainforests still cover more than the 2/5 of the peninsula and some 2/3 of Sarawak and Sabah. Another fraction of the country is under swamp forest. The flora of the Malaysian rainforest is among the richest in the world. There are several thousand species of vascular plants, including more than 2,000 species of trees, as well as the parasitic monster flower, which bears the world's largest known flower, measuring nearly 3 feet in diameter. A beautiful archipelago, Langkawi Island is a destination known for its vast expanse of sandy beaches and azure blue water, which enthrall the tourist. The Langkawi Geopark is a UNESCO heritage site that attracts a large number of visitors and is undoubtedly the top among the must-visited place in Malaysia. It is the perfect manifestation of geological heritage in the area. It is one of the best places to visit in Malaysia with family. A group of stunning coral fringe island. The Perhentian Island is located almost 19 km away from the northeastern Malaysia. It is a part of Marine Park where activities like fishing are strictly prohibited. It is one of the most unique places to visit in the country. It is also counted among the best places to visit in Malaysia with friends. If you are seeking peace and solitude with the perfect mix of beauty and serenity, you should be heading to Pangkor Island, one of the most tranquil Malaysia's tourist attractions. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe us and press the bell icon.